Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the snow bunny ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the snow bunny looks like. And before we check the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you guys how you can get the snow bunny. So you can get the snow bunny from the Santa surprise present. You can go to the Christmas shop and you can buy the Santa surprise present right here, and you will have 24.23% possibility to get this snow bunny. Okay, and I'm going to go to my garden and place this pad, and let's see what this pad can do. Okay, it can grants all bunnies in your garden and also give you shackles, but you need to have carrots in your garden. It can only work with carrots because it consumes carrots to grant the bunnies in your garden. Okay. And okay guys, that's all about the Snow Bunny and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!